Managing your registered Clover Imaging web user account is simple. First, you must be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Edit My Account link on the right-hand side. This page will allow you to change your web user profile and information. Please note, changing your web user information does not change your company's customer account at Clover. Any updated information will only be used for web orders. To change your password, please click on the Change Password link on the right-hand side. You will need to enter your current password and the new password. Your new password must be at least 5 characters long and contain at least 1 alphabetic and 1 numeric character. If this tutorial has not answered your question, or if you require additional assistance, you can use the live chat feature found on the bottom right-hand corner of cloverimaging.com or email us at websupport@cloverimaging.com.